welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving! I wanted to film this very quick intro because this is a special / fun video for me. Not only is this the first time I've ever done any kind of cooking video on my channel because I don't cook, but also you guys are going to somewhat meet my best friend, aka my grandmother. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I talk about my grandmother a lot. I am extremely close with my grandmother for a couple of reasons. Number one, she's just the coolest person in the world, and she's always been the coolest person in the world to me. We are actually only 35 years apart. So my grandmother has been a second mother to me, a best friend, a confidant, and most importantly, she helped me get together this dressing because your girl tried to do it herself last year and it was her. So since I'm all the way in LA and I am doing Thanksgiving in LA this year, I decided to call my grandmother on FaceTime and have her walk me through the steps of cooking my dressing. I called her to help me make a practice dressing, aka the dressing that we was gonna eat for Friendsgiving. I didn't have some of the ingredients. I forgot some of the ingredients, but I do best believe I have them now. And the dressing for tomorrow is perfect. But all in all, I was able to use other ingredients to substitute for the ones I didn't have. And believe it or not, my dressing turned out really good. Both the tins I cooked them in, as you can see, are literally plumbed, scraped clean. So I think I did pretty good for myself. I think the proof is in the pudding, or the proof is in the dressing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and let me know what your favorite thing to eat is for the holidays. Do you call it dressing or stuffing? What you call it?
What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies! What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hold on.
Yeah, go around the edge so it'll come there, just flop out. Yeah. And then just put in your can. You see by
like you don't have enough poultry seasoning. I wanted to taste. You got to give it a chicken flavor. And that's what the poultry seasoning is for. Okay, you got some sugar.
Yes, ma'am.
Put your little bit of sugar in there. Just sugar, but yeah, that's good.
I wasn't gonna put no more. Trust me, I don't like no sweet. I don't like no sweet dressing.
A little bit of sugar when you cook it brings out the flavor in food.
Okay.
See, if I didn't know you didn't have no poultry season, that's why I was told you could have put some of that turkey in there, and as you baked it, the seasoning from the turkey would have went through the feed.
Lord, if you say poultry seasoning one more time, and
Look, if your ass gonna make dressing right, you got to have what you need.
okay, this just a practice one, Mimi. I'm gonna get it. All I ain't got is poultry seasoning.
It made me stupid.